Hi, I'm Marcos from Volato Planes and Composites, and in this next video we're gonna show you how do you install your winglet in your Volato 400 kit. The winglet comes with 3 guided holes that you use to hold your winglet in place. In your Volato 400 Ultra Fast kit, the winglets already come with pre-drilled alignment holes. The holes you need to drill are also marked on the winglet. So, all you need to do is secure the winglet with clecos in the existing holes and check that it is in the correct position. How you do this? Simply observe the trailing edge of the winglet and check the angle of the aileron or the wing. They should be aligned. Now you can drill all the other pre-marked holes and place clecos on each hole. Don't need a tape, measure tape, pen, level or anything else. Just secure and drill. Now, remove all the clecos and the winglet and install the anchor nuts in all the holes, as we did in the hinges. Now you are just put your winglet in place and screw it. One more task completed. See how easy it was to install your winglet in your Volato 400 kit? See you in our next video.